What is up, y'all? It's CJ Moto. And I'm finally back on the Surron, baby. It's a big old burn run out here in Jefferson, Texas this weekend. So I'm trying to get out away from it because there's like 855 million Harleys out there, which is cool, man. But golly, it's packed. So brought the drone out. That wasn't bad. First wheelie and freaking, man, it's probably been a month since I've rode this thing, it feels like.
It's too late now to turn around and back again. I made my bed and now I lay my head in it. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. You call my bluff, I won't pick up, I let it ring. Record your voice so I can listen back again. Sorry, I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. So do you wanna take me back? All of our broken plans, so we can start again. Won't turn down a second chance, I'm too selfish for that. I let you fall again, now that you know that I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was.
So we're out here on the boardwalk. On the boardwalk. Man, this is fun. How you doing? Really nice out here. Not gonna rip no more because there's people on the boardwalk. How you doing? Good. Beautiful out. I gotta get the drone out and get some footage. Keep on hitting that brake because I'm trying to definitely remember what brake's what. It's been so long. The left's the rear, the right's the front. And I actually, so I got my bike stand, I've got my bike carrier, and I got a iPad mini 5, so Now I have, whoa! Now I have so much more storage space, guys. Whoa! So much more storage space. And the bike carrier allows me to finally get out of town, baby. So let's go over here and check out this big old bike. It's a burn run, burn victims, so that's what it is, but they're having live band, beer, music, all kinds of crazy stuff going on out here. So we'll just cruise on over and I'll show you all these bikes. It's gonna be like 350 million of them. Cruise over and take a look. But there's literally like 1,000 bikes here, no shit. It's crazy right now. And as far as I know, I'm the only electric one. So let's go through here and look at all these. If I can go through here. Am I allowed to go through here? I don't know, but we will see. Look at all these bikes. Harleys everywhere. I'm definitely the only electric bike. How you doing? Definitely. Look at them all. How many do you think's here? I think it's like 1,000. Uh-oh. We almost had a crash. I'm pretty much stuck. But I'm never stuck, really. Do a little walking tour. Pretty quiet. This place is awesome. Excuse me. This place is awesome, man. As long as I don't run into anyone, I should be good. People... Oh yeah, not here though. He said, does it do wheelies? How you doing? Good. So yeah, I don't think anybody else has an electric bike around here. Literally everyone's like, that's electric, that's electric. That's electric. Thank you. Literally, that's electric 1,000,000 times. But man, you can't even hardly get anywhere right now. So freaking packed. It's insane. I'm trying to get away here. Get out to the country a little. Get out to the woods, baby. Take it out to the trails, my friend. This is too much fun. People are either gonna love it or they're gonna hate on it because it's not a Harley. So far, good though. God, there are a lot of bikes here. Let's hit the road, baby. Bop, bop, bop. Oh my God, I have a new places to ride. Haha. Finally. Gotta be careful, there's lots of people out walking around and stuff. Haha. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. This is gonna be fun tonight. How's our battery looking? We are at 89% battery still. I've never even been over here. We can go down here. Let's go down here and look around. Haha. Let's go down here. Take her down here. On the boardwalk. We're on the boardwalk. Let's do a boardwalk wheelie. Up, up, up. Oh, this bike's sick. I missed it so much. I'll be back, y'all. Let's go get the drone and follow it around. God, it's gorgeous out. There's a tower. We can't go up it. Looks to be locked. Looks to be locked. How y'all doing? There's a little train action. A little jump action. But we got that thing in our way. There's a little mini train trail. That's pretty cool. Mini train tracks. Hey, let's go take a look at the bike carrier. I'll show you guys that thing. How's that sound? Let's do that. She still has some torque, I'll give her that. Definitely it has some torque. There's a cool bike. There's the police. So yeah, it's nice to be back on the bike. I got the one-up bike carrier. I'm gonna cruise over there and show it to you guys here. Just putting around town. Might go get the drone out, get a little aerial footage for y'all. Just gotta take it somewhere cool. I don't know, we'll find somewhere. Well, I gotta tell you, I don't know what it is. There ain't nothing like a tatted up biker girl. That's a fact. That is a fact. Here's the bike stand right over here. Check it out, check it out, check it out. I think this is where I parked. Yeah, here we go. Check it out, guys. One-up bike stand. Look at that thing. Super awesome. It is so easy to put it on there. It's like just sweet. You just put those side rails up, put the bike in, put it back down, and you're good to go. It's sweet. So here's a quick demo of putting this thing on. You just lift that up, go like that, lift this one up, go like that, take the battery out, kickstand up, make sure you take the key out of the bike, whip it around, lift it up, boom, boom, make sure it's nice and even. Then you go ahead and go like that. Go like that. And that's it. That is 100% installed in less than a minute. And you're solid. You're good to go, ready to rock. It don't go nowhere. So let's go somewhere else.